या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः।
प्रथमं शैलपुत्री च द्वितीयं ब्रह्मचारिणी तृतीयं चंद्रघंटेति कुष्मांडेति चतुर्थकम् पंचम स्कंद मातेति षष्ठम कात्यायनी च सप्तम कालरात्रेति महागौरीति च अष्टमम् नवम सिद्धिदात्री च नौ दुर्गा प्रकीर्तिता।
Navratri is a 9-day festival in which 9 forms of Goddess Durga are worshipped. It is one of the most significant festivals celebrated by Hindus all across India with great fervor. Navratri in Sanskrit means 9 nights. On these 9 nights, people observe fast and offer special prayer to the 9 forms of Ma Durga. Goddess Durga is an incarnation of Goddess Parvati. This is why the first form of Nav Durga is Shailputri, is also known as Bhavani or Hemavati. In the previous birth, she was the daughter of Daksha, Sati. Once Daksha had organized a big yagna and did not invite Shiva, but Sati, being obstinate, reached there. Thereupon Daksha insulted Mahadev. Sati could not tolerate the insult of her husband, so she burned herself in the fire of yagna. In other birth, she took birth as a daughter of Lord Himalaya, due to which she is named as Shailputri. She is also known to be the earthy essence. Ma Shailputri is the major and the absolute form of the goddess. Mata Shailputri rides a bull called Nandi, and she holds a trishul in one hand and a lotus in the other hand. The second day of Navratri is dedicated to goddesses Brahmacharini. The name Brahmacharini is derived from 2 words. Brahma here means tapa or penance, and Charini means the ardent female follower. According to the Puranas, after taking birth as Shailputri, she wanted to marry Shiva. Hence she left everything behind and started doing tap to please Shiva. And she did tap for 1000 years. Her ascetic pursuit drew Shiva's attention and was pleased with her. Shiva then promised Mata Brahmacharini that he will marry her. Mata Brahmacharini walks bare feet with a Rudraksh mala in one hand and the sacred Kamandal in the other hand. The third form of Goddess Durga is Mata Chandraghanta. After Lord Shiva gave Mata Brahmacharini his words that he would marry her, then after marrying Lord Shiva, she started adorning half moon on her forehead with a crescent moon on her forehead, which gives her the name Chandraghanta. Ma Chandraghanta is believed to destroy all evil and wicked. Goddess Chandraghanta rides the tigress. She is depicted with 10 hands. Goddess Chandraghanta carries Trishul, Gada, sword and Kamandal in her 4 left hands and keeps the 5th left hand in Varada Mudra. She carries a lotus, flower, arrow, Dhanush and Japmala in her 4 right hands and keeps the 5th hand in Abhay Mudra. Goddess Kushmanda is the 4th form of Navdurga, is worshipped on the 4th day of Navratri. Ku means little, Ushma means energy and Anda means cosmic egg. Here the whole universe is represented as the cosmic egg, and the Devi is believed to end the darkness with her divine smile. Mata Kushmanda is holding a trident, discus, sword, hook, mace, bow, arrow and 2 jars of elixir and blood. Her one hand is always on Abhay Mudra, from which she blesses all her devotees. Mata Kushmanda rides on a tiger. The 5th form of Navdurga is Skandamata. Lord Skanda is also known as Kartikeya. In her form as a mother of Lord Skanda, she is known as Goddess Skandamata. Mata Skandamata mounts the ferocious lion. Mata is depicted with 4 hands. She carries the lotus in her upper 2 hands. She holds baby Skanda in one of her right hands and keeps the other right hand in Abhay Mudra. The 6th day of Navaratri is dedicated to goddesses Katyayani, who is a form of Shakti, also known as warrior goddesses. Katyayani is considered as one of the most violent form of goddesses Parvati. Sage Katyayan wanted Mata Bhagavati as his daughter. Goddesses gave him a boon of a daughter. Then Mata Katyayani was born to Katyayan sage's house, and hence she is called Katyayani. Mata Katyayani rides on a magnificent lion and is depicted with 4 hands. She carries a lotus flower and sword in her left hands respectively and keeps her right hands in Abhay Mudra and Varada Mudras. The 7th form of Navdurga is known as Goddess Kalaratri. She is considered to be the most ferocious avatar of Navdurga and is also known for destroying arrogance and removing darkness from the universe. According to Puranas, demon Shumbhanishum and Raktabij has made a stroke in all the 3 states. Worried by this, all the deities went to Shiva. Then Shiva asked Goddess Parvati to kill the demons and protect their devotees. Considering Shiva, Goddess Parvati assumed the form of Durga and killed Shumbhanishum. But as soon as Durga killed the Raktabij, the blood released from his body produced millions of Raktabij. Saying this, Ma Durga made Kalratri form its fast. Then Ma Kalratri fought with Raktabij and kept drinking his blood till he was completely red, causing her tongue to appear blood red. Mata Kalratri's complexion is dark black and she rides a donkey. She is depicted with 4 heads. Her right hands are in Abhay Mudra and Varada Mudra. She carries a sword and a deadly iron hook in her left hands. Mahagauri is the 8th manifestation of the goddesses Durga. According to the Puranas, after killing Raktabija in the form of Kalratri, Mata Parvati was left with dark skin as dark as night. To regain her fair skin, she took a bath in Ganga river. As she took a bath, her dark skin separated from her and took the form of a female. As a result of the separation of her black skin, Mata Parvati got her white fair complexion back, and so she gained the epithet Mahagauri. Ma Mahagauri rides a bull, holding Trishul in one of her right hands and depicts the Abhay Mudra with the other right hand. She carries a Damaru in one left hand and depicts the Varada Mudra in the other left hand. The 9th form of Navdurga is known as Siddhidatri. In Puranas, it is said that the Lord Shiva worshipped Ma Siddhidatri to attain half form of his body as one of the goddesses Shakti. That's why Lord Shiva and Parvati is known as Ardhanarishwara. Mata Siddhidatri sits on a lotus. She is depicted with 4 hands. She has Gada in the one right hand, Chakra in the other right hand, lotus flower in the left hand and Shankha in the other left hand. The 9 manifestations of Ma Durga that are worshipped with fervor during Navaratri are believed to lift divine spirit in us to help us overcome obstacles and get liberated from unnecessary qualities to be filled with new freedom and purity. So viewers, this was the story of Navdurga. We wish that Mata Durga always shower her blessings on us. Thank you.